Hi, I'm Kate Feeks, and welcome to this online edition of Ask the Judge. Today we are talking with Judge James Kimbler of the Medina County Common Pleas Court about jury trials. Here is today's question for Judge Kimbler. How long has Ohio had jury trials?
So, in the 1700s, people began to come into the Ohio River Valley from Virginia and places like that in the south, and they began to come into the northern Ohio area, Cleveland, what we now refer to as Cleveland, from Connecticut and New England. And both of those areas brought with them the right to a jury trial. The right to a jury trial had been established by the English in their colonies in the 1600s and 1700s. And by the time Ohio River Valley and the Ohio Lake Erie area began to be developed, the right to a jury trial was pretty firmly established in the colonies and became established in Ohio. Indeed, as I like to tell people who serve my juries today, the right to a jury trial was actually preserved to the people in Ohio before there was even a state of Ohio. What I mean by that is that in the 1780s, after we had got our independence from the King of England, there was what we call the Continental Congress, under what was referred to as the old Articles of Confederation. And that was about a 6 or 7 year period before we adopted the present United States Constitution. And during that period, they passed the Northwest Ordinance of 1787. And the Northwest Ordinance of 1787 guaranteed to people who were north of the Ohio River the right to trial by jury, the right to vote, the right to have a elected government. So before we became a state, we had already established the right to a trial by jury, and it was one of the oldest rights that Ohioans enjoy and have enjoyed since at least 1787 formally, and before that informally, even before the American Revolution.